Hi, I'm Ty. You're watching Osmo Mobile Tutorials, where you'll learn how to get the most out of your device. The Osmo Mobile allows you to hold your phone in different positions, giving you the ability to shoot from any angle you can imagine. Before we begin, it's important to note that every time you change position, you'll need to double tap the trigger to recenter the gimbal. In flashlight mode, the Osmo handle is parallel to the ground and your phone points straight ahead in front of you. In underslung mode, you're effectively holding the Osmo Mobile upside down, allowing you to easily capture low-angle shots. Upright mode is the standard orientation for the Osmo. This is great for walking around or holding it up in the air for high-angle shots. Vertical mode is perfect for shooting videos on Snapchat, Periscope, or other social networks that display vertically oriented videos. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Osmo Mobile tutorials.